Hi, welcome to this video. My name is Chris Haycock. I work at Altecnic in Technical, and today we're going to be talking about these, which are ECOCALs, TRVs, thermostatic, that go on radiators. So we'll get into a few little features of them, adjustments, and also there's an interesting function as well. But before we get into that, if you'd like to like and subscribe this video, we'll get into it then. Right, so this is the ECOCAL TRV. Which obviously will be compatible with most heating systems. Now, it's a very easy, user-friendly device, to be honest with you. You've got settings all the way down from 0 up to 5, which correlates to different temperatures. So roughly at 0, you're talking a frost setting, so that's roughly about 7 degrees, okay? Now, if you wind it all the way up to 5, then it'll be roughly 28 degrees, okay? Now, people don't want that, so they generally have it down at about 2 to 3, which will maintain a good flow in the system, keeping efficiency and reducing costs. Now, also, the TRV has a very good feature as well, which is a unique locking feature, which we'll move on to shortly. Right, so moving on to the features of the actual head itself, you can obviously adjust it very easily. As you can see, it is literally just a turn. So if you turn it from 0 all the way up to 5, okay, that is just temperature settings. So if you want to do unique things like locking the TRV, basically you essentially move the TRV to point out. Now, you've got a little lip here, which basically what you have to do is you have to separate the ring from the bottom of the body, basically. Okay, and what you can do is, let's say for example you want to limit the radiator temperatures to about 2 or 3. Okay, so what you do is you literally turn it to that point. So you've got this little bit here that you can set it. So if you set it to, let's say, just before 3, you clip it in place, and what you can see is that will rotate to there, but it won't rotate any further. So it locks it in that particular position there. Okay, so another way you can do this as well is you can actually turn this radiator head into a tamper-proof head. Okay, so very similar to what we did before. So you see the little point there. Basically, if you want the radiator valve setting to be anything between 1 and 2, and you don't want it to actually physically move, you just literally rotate that all the way, hide it behind the pointer. Okay, so you can see that there, and then you hide it behind the pointer, and then you just clip it back into place, and as you can see, the actual head will now not move. So that essentially makes this a tamper-proof valve. Okay, and very simply again, you can just unhook it like that, and then you're back to being normal. There is a point where you can actually reset it as well, so you just put it there. So when you get the reset point, there's basically no restrictions. You can just move it all the way round. Okay, thank you for watching the video. For more information on products like the ECOCAL, you can visit our website.